Hey everyone, welcome to this straightforward tutorial on how to transfer USDC from Binance to your Phantom wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving rapidly, securely moving your assets is essential for anyone diving into DeFi or just managing their holdings. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step process to get it done quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified Binance account with some USDC in it, and the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed on your device. Double-check that your Phantom Wallet is connected to the correct blockchain network, like Solana, since USDC often uses that for transfers. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the top menu. Select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your USDC is stored. Step 2. Locate USDC in your wallet overview, then click on Withdraw. You'll see a form pop up asking for details like the amount and the destination address. Step 3. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension. Go to the Receive or Assets section, select USDC, and copy the wallet address. Remember, this address is case sensitive, so copy it accurately to avoid any issues. Step 4. Back in Binance, paste the Phantom Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Make sure to select the correct network, such as Solana, to match your Phantom setup. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer, review the fees, and hit Confirm. Step 5. Binance will send you a confirmation code via email or app notification. Enter it to finalize the transaction. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, open your Phantom Wallet and refresh to see your USDC arrive. A quick tip: always verify the wallet address before confirming to prevent irreversible losses, and keep an eye on transaction fees to minimize costs. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDC from Binance to Phantom in 2025. It's simple once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.